Hi everyone, thank you for clicking onto this video. Viibeauts here, and in this video I'll be showing you how I make my wigs without sewing. So I did get my bundles off AliExpress for the company Viibeauts. I got 3 bundles in the lengths 18, 2 20s and a 16-inch closure. Now this closure is thick and the bundles are even thicker. Like, this ain't sponsored, but definitely if you want thicker hair, then definitely go for Viibeauts. So I did colour my hair, so on the left is not coloured and on the right is jet black. I coloured it with some crazy colour. I think it was just like jet black, the darkest colour, because I prefer jet black hair on me. So here I'm just pinning down the closure. So when you're doing this, you definitely want the closure to be flat onto the mannequin head. And this mannequin head is from Amazon as well. So if you want to see where I got that from and also the hair, I'll leave it in the description box. So this is the only time you're gonna have to sew. In fact, you don't even have to sew this part. You can even just glue it, but I just prefer sewing. But if you do want to sew, then just make sure that it's flat down and really tight and neat.
But I can hear him saying grace soon. Really spent a whole lot of days on the debut. Made more tunes, but the crew play the same too. Yeah, I'm just happy that they came through. Feel like a dream and a dream and a dream.
I'm just going in with my glue gun. I did get this. Oh, and I did get 2 extra glues. Definitely, if you want to do this method, to get 2 extra glues just in case. I did get this glue gun off in my local hair shop. So if you don't have a local hair shop near you, you can definitely just order it off eBay, Amazon, or even AliExpress really. So my wig cap that I'm using is the Spanx dome cap, but inside it, you know, when they give the cardboard thing, I'm just using that for the glue, just so that I can place the glue on.
Thankful for the mad love, yeah. The opportunities I passed up, for the homies who was bad.
Before I did anything, I did leave the glue plugged in for a while, just so that I can get really hot. By the way guys, this does get super duper hot if you've never had a glue gun before, and it's definitely really strong. It's also really, it's definitely better than just using the normal hair glue, because after a while sometimes it starts to unravel and stuff. But with this glue gun, it's so strong, like it's really good and it's so quick. I did this whole thing like less than an hour. Like, it's really quick. And this method is also good, especially if you don't really know how to sew and you want to make your first wig. Definitely you can also get the hair glue, or you can just get like a glue gun. So that is basically it guys. I'll let you watch the full thing, so I'll leave everything in the description box below, where I got this hair from, the lengths just in case, and also the glue gun, and yeah, and also the mannequin head. Literally everything I'm using I'll leave in the description box. So if you want to see this hair on me, I've already done a video on my spring makeup. I did wear this hair already, but if you want to see how I do my baby hairs and style it on myself, that is going to be my next video. So definitely go check that out when it's out. Don't forget to subscribe so you can catch that when it comes out, and also check my social media, Snapchat and Instagram, just to see what I'm getting up to, and I will see you in my next video.
I'm saying grace soon. Really spent a whole lot of days on the debut. Made more tunes, but the crew play the same too. Yeah, I'm just happy that they came through. Feel like a dream and a dream and a dream. I said it feel like a dream. It's a dream, it's a dream, it's a dream. Oh, dream and a dream and a dream. I said it feel like a dream. It's a dream, it's a dream, it's a dream. Yeah. Oh, God went and worked it all out, didn't you? Used to think the goal was y'all to bounce with me. Now I got some tracks to keep my mouth busy. Speaking truth on them, that's what it's about, really. Thankful for the mad love, yeah. The opportunities I passed up,